Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to scale your e-commerce brand with Brevo's all-in-one marketing platform. You're going to really love this. It's all about how to do it the right way when it comes to all-in-one marketing for e-commerce. And I'm going to be showing you Brevo because they offer e-com store owners, Shopify store owners, print-on-demand store owners a user-friendly interface and super powerful features that you're going to use every single day, like CRM integration, email marketing, SMS, AI-driven segmentation, literally all of it in one platform. And if you want to easily automate this, if you want to personalize your emails and your SMS marketing and integrate with CRM, you need to use Brevo. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you Brevo. If you want to do this, you might run into some pain points, especially with Shopify, because there's actually no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. That's why you're going to use Brevo. And I'm going to show you why it's super easy to use and requires no prior technological skill. But really, most importantly, Brevo is going to be able to combine all of the most important growth features for an e-commerce brand. Email marketing, SMS marketing, CRM, customer service, chat, so much more. You're going to see it all in this video, and it's all about Brevo. You see the link directly below this video. I highly, highly recommend them. It's an all-in-one platform, literally everything that you need. You know you need email, you know you need SMS, you know you need CRM, you know you need customer service. You're getting it all in one with Brevo. And you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you exactly why this is going to be so powerful for your e-commerce brand. And you're looking at brevo.com. Again, link directly below this video. And it's really highly recommended because you're going to be able to grow your e-commerce store. I'm going to show you exactly how this is going to work. Lots of different features in here, lots of different resources with Brevo as well. And it's all about growing your brand. Email marketing, SMS, CRM, all in one. You get chat in here as well. Literally everything is super, super easy to use. And there are some massive, massive brands out there using Brevo, like Louis Vuitton, Amnesty, Michelin, eBay. You see the logos over here showing 500,000 plus customers, 500,000 plus stores and brands trusting Brevo to help grow. And there are 5 huge factors inside of Brevo, 5 killer features that you're going to use pretty much every single day. And it's going to help you build sales, build your brand, scale your business, and reach new customers, engage with them, right? You have the marketing platform. And this is all about email marketing, marketing automations, SMS, WhatsApp. Basically, the idea here is that we have multi-channel communications here. We're going to be able to get them on email. We're going to be able to get them on marketing and SMS and WhatsApp, right? The idea here is that we're going to reach them across different channels, them being customers, people who are going to pay us money, who are going to help us build our brand and scale our business by enjoying our products. And of course, marketing is really the lifeblood of your store. And the minute that you stop marketing is the minute that you stop growing. So with Brevo, you're going to be able to use the marketing platform, all the different features of it, to help drive sales. And then managing and nurturing those sales happens in the sales platform. This is going to be where you easily manage your pipeline and you accelerate revenue growth, you accelerate sales, you scale your brand across the entire sales cycle. You have pipeline management, you have automated deal tracking, you have meetings and call recording. So literally everything built in here with Brevo. There is absolutely not a feature missing here. It's got everything that you need. Then you've got the conversations platform, and I really love this. There's a universal inbox, so you're able to see everything across multi-channels, all the different communications coming in. And of course, there's chat features and phone features as well to make sure that you're always able to reach your customer. We have the customer data platform as well, and this is really cool. Going to be able to unify and pretty much manage all of your customers' data in one place. Multi-table data model, scoring library, customer analytics, business intelligence. This is kind of all about understanding your customer. And when you know your customer, you're going to know what to sell them and how to sell to them and how to make more money from them. So customer data, super, super important. Maybe not one of the most sexy topics in e-commerce, but one of the most important and one of the ones that directly lead to more revenue. And that's why I love Brevo. This is really all about, these aren't just fancy features. These are features that are going to help you make more money, that are going to help you scale your business, reach more customers, engage with your customers, right? All of these features are revenue generating tools here with Brevo. And then, of course, we have Messaging API. This is going to allow us to deliver messages at scale. You want to grow a massive, massive brand. You want to reach hundreds of thousands of customers. You want to build that beloved worldwide brand. You need Messaging API, email, SMS, WhatsApp API, CMS integration, inbound parsing, all of the features that you need to truly scale on time, powerful, reliable with the Messaging API. And there's a lot of resources here at Brevo as well. You got the Guide to Marketing Automation, 100% free ebook. You could find it at brevo.com. Really huge reviews, right? You see Capterra, GetApp, massive, 4.5+ star reviews over here. Leaders in small business, enterprise, mid-market from 2024. Really, really powerful. It's got solutions for every single business. And you can see some really huge businesses that are using Brevo to scale and to reach more customers and to basically build that big business that they want. Another huge thing, integrations, 150 different integrations. They're always adding more as well. You see Zoom, Zendesk, of course, Stripe, which is super important, Yotpo, which is a big Shopify review app. So Brevo always going to integrate with the most important apps that you're probably already using. So Brevo will work right into your ecosystem. It's super, super powerful, and it's really easy to get started as well. You could sign up for free right now. You see the link directly below this video for brevo.com. And you also see my discount code in the description. You'll be able to get some really nice savings over there. But again, brevo.com, grow your business, grow your e-commerce brand, and do it fast. Do it with email marketing, SMS marketing, chat, CRM support. You see all of the different things, all the different integrations as well, all ready to go with Brevo. It's highly recommended. Make sure you use the code CENER, CENER. You're going to get 50% off starter and business plans for the first 3 months on an annual subscription. Really powerful, really great deal to jump into this all-in-one marketing platform. So check the link directly below this video. Jump into Brevo. I hope this helps you make some money. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Otherwise, I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.